A mistake many car owners make when cleaning their vehicles is overlooking the interior. Seeing that you spend considerable time inside the car, you should always ensure that this area is in sound condition. The best car interior cleaner will do you some justice for clean car seats, dashboards, and windows. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best interior car cleaner in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. This review's number 1 selection is easily the best all-purpose cleaner for car interiors. Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner is ideal for different parts of the car. You can use it on the dashboard, windshield, carpet, and seat. It is a show of its versatility. This product's flexibility comes from its compatibility with different materials. They include rubber, plastic, leather, vinyl, wood, and chrome. It is a gentle formula that won't stain or corrode the surfaces it contacts. Some of the spots this cleaning agent will deal with are oil stains, grime, and typical dried-up dirt. An impressive thing with this cleaner from Chemical Guys is its protection capability. It has a blend of UV blockers that will protect the clean surfaces from sun rays. Number 2. Leather Honey 8-ounce Leather Cleaner. Leather is a durable car upholstery material. To preserve its quality, you need a leather cleaner. A good example of such a product is Leather Honey's 8-ounce Leather Cleaner. It is a multipurpose cleaning agent that you can use for any leather surface, both in the car or in your household. It is a premixed cleaner that does not need you to add water before using it. Moreover, it is non-toxic. It does not present a health hazard when using it. This ready-to-use product will work on different surfaces besides leather. You can use it for vinyl, plastic, artificial leather, and rubber surfaces without causing any degradation. Number 3. Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer Cleaner. Our next selection of a good car interior cleaner is an all-around product with plenty of amazing attributes. First of all, it is easy to use, packed in a convenient spray bottle for quick application. The Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer is suitable for many surfaces, making it highly adaptable. You can use it on rubber, leather, metal, plastic, vinyl, and many other surfaces. This cleanser is safe, both for the surfaces and the user. It does not damage the surfaces you apply it on and is gentle to the skin. The cleaning agent will lift dust, oil, grime, and spills. You may use it on any stain, with the assurance of having the car interior shine. Number 4. Nextset Cockpit Premium Interior and Dashboard Cleaner. Adaptability is a crucial element to look at when getting the best product for cleaning the car interior. The Nextset Cockpit Premium Cleaner upholds this attribute. Its versatility comes to play when you can use it to clean all interior surfaces, regardless of the material. Nextset's product is ideal for cleaning the steering wheel, dashboard, seats, carpets, and many more. It is gentle on these surfaces, dealing with stains like light dust, grime, and spills. Furthermore, you may use it on clear and colored areas without the risk of fading. Talking of fading, the dashboard cleaner has UV ray blocking agents that prevent the interior surfaces from losing color. Number 5. CarGuys All-Purpose Super Cleaner. Cleaning the car carpet is a draining affair, especially if you lack the proper tools. If you want better results, you can try out the CarGuys All-Purpose Super Cleaner. It does an excellent job on many materials, including vinyl and leather. This cleaning agent's specialty is rubber surfaces, though you may use it to clean inside windshields and other glass surfaces. Away from surfaces the cleanser can handle, this solution relies on the latest nanotechnology advancements. This technology enhances its dirt removal capability. That was our list of the top 5 best interior car cleaner in 2023 just for you.